attention to another bit of breaking news update coming in. This is with regards to Atashi taking charge as the Chief Minister of the national capital. But here's what the BJP has now taken to social media to criticize. Atashi, while has taken charge as the Chief Minister, has left an empty chair for Arvind Kejriwal. And those are the visuals we're talking about. The BJP has mocked this as a publicity stunt. So there you see Atashi, the new Chief Minister of Delhi, while she's addressing the media, you see an empty chair right next to hers, and she says this is Arvind Kejriwal's chair. Remember Atashi, in the past as well, after Arvind Kejriwal announced that she's going to be in charge of the national capital next, has repeatedly said in public domain that I am an interim Chief Minister and I'm only here to bring back Arvind Kejriwal as the CM of Delhi. And with that big announcement that came in from Kejriwal, that he now leaves the decision to people's court. It's the people who will decide whether he's guilty or innocent. We've seen these kind of reactions coming in from Atashi, and that's Atashi converting her words into another gesture which has now been picked up by the Bharatiya Janata Party, mocking this as publicity stunt. Let me go across to Arun Dhanta joining us with more details. Arun, it's not surprising really that Atashi's managed to pull this off, given that she has repeatedly, even after taking charge as the CM, said that I'm only here for a while. My efforts are only going to be directed towards bringing back Arvind Kejriwal as the CM. But tell us about the BJP's latest comment on the manner in which Atashi's left this empty chair for Arvind Kejriwal.
Well, see, BJP is not sparing this opportunity, and that is the reason why you see Amit Malviya, BJP's IT cell head, putting out that post and saying that this is against the constitution. And when she has become the Chief Minister of Delhi, she will have to fulfill all her constitutional duties, which includes, of course, sitting on the Chief Ministerial chair. And it was bound to happen because initially when BJP was demanding the resignation of Arvind Kejriwal from the Chief Ministerial post, and when that happened, and when Atashi became the Chief Minister, they also started saying that now Atashi will be on this chair for few months, and she is the most soft and placated Chief Minister. So therefore, she has been given responsibility by the Aam Aadmi
BJP's
Party.
reaction as well on unexpected lines. Arun, now sorry to interrupt you there. Let's also hear it from Atashi on what she really had to say to the media on assuming charge.
मैंने दिल्ली के मुख्यमंत्री का कार्यभार संभाला है, जिम्मेदारी संभाली है। आज मेरे मन की वही व्यथा है जो भरत जी की थी, जब भगवान श्री राम 14 वर्ष के लिए अयोध्या से वनवास पे गए और भरत जी को अयोध्या का शासन संभालना पड़ा। जिस तरह भरत जी ने 14 साल तक भगवान श्री राम की खड़ाऊ रखकर अयोध्या का शासन संभाला, उसी तरह से आने वाले 4 महीने के लिए मैं दिल्ली सरकार चलाऊंगी। भगवान श्री राम ने अपने पिताजी द्वारा दिए गए एक वचन को निभाने के लिए 14 साल का वनवास स्वीकार किया। इसीलिए हम भगवान श्री राम को मर्यादा पुरुषोत्तम कहते हैं। उनकी जिंदगी हम सबके लिए मर्यादा और नैतिकता की एक मिसाल है। बिल्कुल उसी तरह अरविंद केजरीवाल जी ने इस देश की राजनीति में मर्यादा और नैतिकता की एक मिसाल कायम की है। पिछले 2 साल से भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने अरविंद केजरीवाल जी पर कीचड़ उछालने में कोई भी कसर नहीं छोड़ी।
So yes, we've heard Atashi, all praises about Arvind Kejriwal. Going across to Arun Dhanta once again. Arun, does the BJP sense that this is a well thought out strategy on part of the Aam Aadmi Party to ensure that Arvind Kejriwal does announce, stepping down as the CM, make someone else in charge, but the entire Aam Aadmi Party continues to talk about him and his return to the CM's chair? Okay, we'll just reconnect with Arun in just a bit. The BJP, like I said, has been gunning for the Aam Aadmi Party, calling it a publicity stunt. Listen in.
दिल्ली को आज नया मनमोहन सिंह मिला है, उसके लिए दिल्ली वासियों को शुभकामनाएं। मनमोहन सिंह इसलिए क्योंकि असली पावर ऑफ मुख्यमंत्री तो केजरीवाल जी के पास ही रहेगा। वो डिफैक्टो सीएम रहेंगे। आतिशी जी को डीजोर सीएम बनाया है। खड़ाऊ सीएम अगर सौरभ भारद्वाज और सोमनाथ भारती की भाषा बोले तो ये मेरे शब्द नहीं है। तो आज क्योंकि सीएम के रूप में डायरेक्टली फंक्शन नहीं कर पा रहे थे केजरीवाल जी, क्योंकि कोर्ट ने ऐसे बेल के कंडीशन डाले थे, तो अब एक मनमोहन सिंह टाइप या कह सकते हैं कि ओपीएस टाइप व्यवस्था यहां पर लागू कर दी गई है। इसके लिए दिल्ली वासियों को शुभकामनाएं। परंतु हमें भी पता है कि किस प्रकार से चाल और चरित्र नहीं बदला है, केवल चेहरा बदला है। और अगर चाल और चरित्र बदला है तो आतिशी जी से हाथ जोड़कर विनम्र एक रिक्वेस्ट है कि जो शीश महल 150 करोड़ का बना था, जनता जब त्राहिमाम कोविड में कर रही थी तब केजरीवाल जी का कासल बना था, उस कासल और उस किले के दरवाजे खोल दिए जाए, सार्वजनिक रूप से सबको बता दिया जाए कि ये लाखों के पर्दे, जो लाखों की कालीन, जो करोड़ों रुपए के फर्श और जो आलीशान वहां पर व्यवस्थाएं की गई है, दिल्ली वासियों की गाड़ी कमाई को लूटते हुए उसके दरवाजे खोलकर पारदर्शिता के नाम पर पहला आदेश यही होना चाहिए कि शीश महल दिखा दिया जाए। दूसरी बात, सवाल ये पैदा होता है कि जो आतिशी जी खुद एजुकेशन
So you heard it from BJP Shehzad Poonawala take on the Aam Aadmi Party. Now remember, Atishi, who is the new CM, will also continue to hold 13 portfolios. But the BJP comes out to say that it's the same old corrupt ways of the Aam Aadmi Party. It's just a new face that is leading the party now. Going across to Arun once again. Arun, I was meaning to ask you whether or not the BJP thinks this is a well thought out strategy to, of course, take moral high ground and announce, his resignation, but ensure that the entire party continues to rally behind him, continues to talk about him and seek vote in his name.
Well, see, one thing is very clear that the pressure was being mounted on Aam Aadmi Party and Arvind Kejriwal by the BJP. They've been saying this, that what happened to those tall claims which Arvind Kejriwal used to make before entering the politics, that if there is some allegation on somebody, they should immediately resign for a fair trial or a fair probe. And when continuously Arvind Kejriwal was being asked to resign by BJP when he was in jail, he was ducking that question. In fact, his ministers were also ducking that question. And of course, when the chief minister was in jail and there were certain restrictions on the regular meetings with Arvind Kejriwal, so on and so forth. So when he came out, he of course realizes that this will not send a right message. Already a lot of damage has been done. So perhaps on the front of Aam Aadmi Party, this was a well thought out decision, and that was the reason why they have given responsibility to Atishi. And in fact, they know that the elections are very much around the corner next year. In the beginning, election might take place in Delhi. But of course, BJP, has also taken up this issue when Atishi was nominated as the chief minister of
and
Delhi.
The Aam Aadmi Party seems to be sending out a larger message that there is no room, space for any sort of a power tussle, given that Arvind Kejriwal has now paved way for Atishi as the chief minister of Delhi. Many thanks, Arun, for sharing all those details. Heading into a very short break with that.